A beautiful spring wreath can instantly brighten your entryway and bring a warm, country feel to your space. Whether you love simple greenery, rustic farmhouse charm, or floral elegance, there's a perfect wreath style for everyone. In today's video, we'll explore some stunning spring wreath ideas that will add timeless beauty to your home. Classic eucalyptus wreath, a simple and elegant choice. Eucalyptus wreaths offer a fresh, natural look that works beautifully for any home. Lavender and burlap wreath. The combination of soft lavender and rustic burlap adds a charming farmhouse touch to your door. Dried flower wreath. Featuring preserved blooms like hydrangeas and roses, this wreath brings long-lasting beauty to your space. Cotton and greenery wreath. A mix of cotton stems and lush greenery creates a rustic yet soft look, perfect for a country-style home. Pastel floral wreath. Soft pinks, blues, and yellows make this wreath a cheerful and classic choice for spring. Rustic grapevine wreath. A simple grapevine base with touches of greenery and small flowers for a natural, understated style. White blossom wreath. Delicate white flowers like cherry blossoms or baby's breath create a fresh and airy springtime feel. Moss and twine wreath. A nature-inspired wreath with soft moss and twine accents, perfect for an organic farmhouse look. Sunflower and wildflower wreath. Bright and cheerful. This wreath combines sunflowers with a mix of wildflowers for a country garden aesthetic. Daisy and fern wreath. A light and delicate wreath featuring white daisies and soft fern leaves for a fresh, minimal look. Bird's nest wreath. A unique spring touch with small nests and fall eggs tucked among the greenery and flowers. Lemon and greenery wreath. Add a pop of color with fall lemons and lush leaves for a bright and cheerful entryway. Vintage-inspired lace wreath. Soft lace ribbons woven through a floral wreath add a romantic and timeless farmhouse feel. Herb wreath. Use fresh or dried herbs like rosemary, thyme, and lavender for a fragrant and practical decorative touch. Tulip wreath. A wreath filled with soft tulips in pastel or white shades for a simple, elegant spring look. A spring wreath is a simple yet beautiful way to welcome the season and refresh your home with a classic country touch. Whether you prefer a natural, rustic style or a floral statement piece, these wreath ideas are sure to add charm and warmth to your space. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more seasonal home decor inspiration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.